So this is the part 2 for the sell scenario, which I actually posted on my Telegram channel here. I say for the sell scenario, remember this: SL is inevitable. Nothing is 100%. That is true. Nothing is 100%. Now let me explain this on the real life chart. So now I actually showed you guys a diagram, but now I'm going to be showing you guys on the real life chart. Let us open on my trading view. So this is my trading view, and this was on the 30 minutes on why I took this trade. It took me out and still went to my TP. Now this was the things I was looking for. Now let me widen this first. This was the things I was looking out for. So what was I looking out for? I already wrote it on the screen. I said change of character, liquidity, first point of interest must be unmitigated. If it is mitigated, then I'm going to go for the second point of interest. Then second point of interest no longer needed because the first point of interest was unmitigated, and the target will be the liquidity or any targets of your choice you want. So this was it. So if you look at this area here, this candle here, this was actually what was showing on the chart. So this candle was the lowest. You know, we are actually on the uptrend right from this place. We're on the uptrend. We're on the uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So when when price actually got to this place, it kept on playing, and price broke this candle, making it a change of character at this particular place. You guys really need to know your market structure very well. So it's actually created a change of character at this particular level. Put it here, a change of character. Now what is the first thing we look out for? We look out for a change of character, a market structure shift, or a double break of structure. A market structure shift is the same thing as a change of character, so don't confuse your head with too many big words. So now it created a change of character. Then what's the next thing I should do? I should mark the candle that was actually broken. So this is the candle, this one here, it was broken. You understand? This was a clear change of character. And what did I say on my last video? Don't mark the week. Hold on, I need to reset this thing. I don't know, let me use this one. Okay, I need to reset this. So I said don't mark the wick, mark the body of the candle instead. So we are actually going to mark the body of this candle that was broken. This is it. This black point here, this black point here, this point here. So we mark the body of the candle and we actually stretched it out. You get? So this particular candle was the candle that broke this candle, creating a change of character. Now, what is the next thing we should look out for? We should look out for the market reversing, creating a correction, coming down without touching our first point of interest. Automatically, this candle that was broken is now our first point of interest. That is why I said don't spend another yet. You have to wait for the market reversal, the market correction. If the market corrected and it did not tap our first point of interest and it failed, automatically that point of interest is valid. You just have to wait and watch. But if the market touched that first point of interest, don't know that the first point of interest is not valid, then you have to go for the second point of interest. This is the second point of interest, which you can also call the order block. Yeah. Which is the sell order block, the supply level. So as the market broke, the market keep playing. So the market came down. See, sellers wanted to take the market, buyers wanted to take the market, sellers push, buyer took over. Automatically, this is completely a reversal. You see, it did not touch. It did not touch our first point of interest. Automatically, this point of interest is valid. So you still stretch it out automatically, then we can now pen our order, or we can patiently wait for price to come to that level, tap retest, and we enter immediately. So the market was playing around. Automatically the market came down, came to tap our point of interest. Then this is where we set our sell limits on the body of the point of interest. Yeah, what's wrong with my screen? Then at this particular place, yeah, we use this the body, then a little above the body also. Then I was targeting 300 pips. 300 pips, 300 pips, 300 pips. Now this is 300 pips, giving us 1:8. 1:8. Now this strategy actually played out, but we hit SL. SL is inevitable. You can't say you have a good strategy and you are not going to hit SL. Dax is trading a different strategy and is making it. Habi is trading a different strategy. Jeffrey is trading a different strategy. Kelvin Talent is trading a different strategy. All our popular forex traders who are in the game, who are making it, both Kojo, everybody is trading a different strategy, and everybody is making it with one particular strategy that they know. So you can't tell me that okay, because I learned from Toni Iyke, or I saw Damian FX YouTube video explaining this and the strategy hit SL automatically, the strategy is trash, I'm not trading again, let me go and find another one. That is where refinement comes in. Now for this refinement, I was meant to use, see, my own particular rules while trading is to use, because of I've seen how gold usually moves, I've studied gold, then I said my own refinement is to always use 100 pips no matter what for my SL. I must use 100 pips for my SL no matter what. If I have followed my rules and use 100 pips, $1,000 is 100, 3,000 means 300 pips, just adding extra zeros. If I have followed my rules, my refinement, always using 100 pips on every of my trade, I could have hit easy peasy now. I could have hit 300 pips. See, you now see Toni Iyke targeting 10 RR. This is just clean 3 RR. This is just clean 3 RR. You see Toni Iyke targeting 10 RR. You see, if your body no carry, no do, you can be targeting your 1:2 every single day. Consistency matters. Do you understand me? Consistency matters. So I documented every single thing on my, you see, I documented it. I do not want to advise anybody to actually take the trade because it was risky. I said which SL was a little bit above. You can see, look at when it came down. So you don't just start running away because a strategy actually did not work. You don't start changing strategy up and down because it did not work. Once you understand a particular strategy, that is when refinement comes in. You refine it. Okay, is it my SO is too small, is too tiny, or is it that my TP, I'm aiming for big RR, I'm aiming too much? Why don't I just balance it, balance my SO and balance my TP, and start back testing the same pattern and see how many trades you win? So guys, this is it now on the live chat. I have explained it now for you guys for the sell scenario, and if I see another opportunity, I'm going to create a video for the buy scenario. So guys, make sure you like this video. I've seen all the love and support for my former video and I'm so grateful. Make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this video to all the beginners out there. all the beginners out there, so they don't start jumping from one strategy to the other. Most importantly, a whole bunch of you are not subscribed. You guys are just watching my videos. Please guys, subscribe. Peace out.